Last week, I talked about how it felt moving to LA emotionally, and now I'm actually going to show you the real space and the apartment in general. I'm only here on a temporary basis. I will be leaving in November of 2026, but at the same time, I just felt like I wanted to make this shoebox apartment as cozy and as homey as possible. By the way, I'm Christine, and I recently moved to LA, and this is how starting over in LA at 32 looks like. Let's begin. This is the entrance. As you can see, has my key holder, and I have my super comfy and super convenient shoe rack with all of the little hangers and a bench. Then I have my ladder, my utility ladder, which is super important. Here at the entrance, I know it's not very fancy, I know it's not ideal, but I have my portable washing machine, which is a lifesaver. If you live in a small apartment, you need to get one of these. These are absolutely super convenient, and when you need to do laundry and it's $3 per wash, then this is going to be a return of investment for sure. This is where I keep all my cleaning supplies, so nothing too fancy. As you can see, it's pretty much a good setup, I think. It's super functional, but yet minimalistic. Oh, also on the bench, I also have my yoga mat, and I also have my dumbbell and barbell. So that's everything all set up for my workouts. As you can see, I have a lot of moving bags, the black ones, which are super convenient because I actually had to store all of the empty boxes of the stuff that I got. So once I leave, I can just put everything back in the boxes, and then it's all set up. This is my small closet. There were no built-in closets, so this is the maximum that I could do. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. It's a newly remodeled unit. Sorry for the vents. Nothing too fancy, nothing to write home about. There's a shower head that I actually changed, and it's a game changer. So don't sleep on it. This is super convenient. If you don't have it, get one. A shower head like this and a handheld one, amazing. Rainfall shower head, love it. This is all my knickknacks and everything. A pretty standard bathroom. Nothing too crazy. So as we exit the bathroom, as you can see, this is the whole layout. We get into the kitchen and dining area. So this is pretty standard, nothing too crazy. I only have my air fryer and my toaster, and then I have my water kettle. So everything's pretty much standard. All the cabinetry was already here, so nothing to write home about. Here I have my dining table set up, which I love. And I also added this canvas of the 7 rules of life. So these are the rules that I go by in my life. Let it go, ignore them, give it time, don't compare, stay calm, which is super important. It's on you, and smile. Smile is very important. So to create a little bit of division, I actually got this Calex from IKEA, and I got this super convenient bins where there's the extra storage, because as you can see, I don't have any built-ins except from the kitchen, and I just put all my knickknacks in here. Here's the bedroom area, and I have a small projector, which is amazing because I have a whole empty wall here, so to use my projector is absolutely amazing. I actually hung these 3 kind of paintings, and I think they look nice. They have the very beachy vibe, LA appropriate and LA approved. Here's my living area where I do all my overthinking in. Love it. It's super comfortable. And then I have my mirror, and here's the random view that I have. Unfortunately, it's not very glamorous, and it's downtown LA for you. But yeah, this is pretty much it. This is the whole home tour, the whole setup. I think I did a great job. I think it wasn't easy to furnish this apartment because ideally I wanted to find a furnished apartment, which didn't happen for me. But I think I didn't go too overboard with this whole furnishing thing. But yeah, I love it. I think it's very homey, it's very cozy, and I think it really gives off the vibe that yes, I'm here temporarily, but at the same time, you know, I want to make it as comfortable as possible. But yeah, that's it. That's all of it, all of the apartment in its glory, and I will see you guys in the next one. Ciao meraviglie.